career in data analytics is easier than ever these days. With various resources available, anyone can learn the concept of data analytics and build a career out of it. If you are a beginner starting with free courses, it can help you to build the basic and then you can go to the advanced level. There are hundreds of courses available online, but I have selected the top 5 courses to start the learning in data analytics. But before getting straight to the course, let us get to know what exactly is the data analytics. Data analytics is the science of analyzing raw and previous data to make conclusions and strategies for our business. It is an important aspect of understanding data, behavior, and how you can manipulate it to drive faster results. As we move towards the digital era, it is important to learn how to analyze data. We will also cover how you can switch career into data analytics if you are from non-IT background. So continue to watch this video till the end. Let's start with free options. They are great for beginner or anyone exploring the field. Google Data Analytics Certificate by Coursera. Google has designed the best courses online to start from basic level. You can learn analytics skill and programming language like Python and SQL. The best part of this course is that it does not require any prior experience in coding. Duration is 6 months and you can divide it 10 hours per week. Learn Excel, SQL, Tableau, RBasic, Introduction to Data Analytics by IBM by Coursera. Coursera offers a wide range of courses in partnership with one of the prestigious organizations. By enrolling in this course, you can learn different concepts of data analytics. Skill that is covered in this course are data analysis, SQL, Python, data management, data visualization, databases. You can also earn certificate after completion of this course. Learn to code for data analysts by OpenLearn. By enrolling in this course, you can learn the basics of programming, data analysis concept. It is a 24-hour long course and is perfect for the beginner. Also, this course teaches you Python and on completion, you will get a badge and free statement of participation. Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst. Microsoft Learning Path. If you want to become a successful data analyst, then you must be proficient in tools like Power BI and Python. And there is no better platform than Microsoft to learn Power BI and Python. Microsoft offers 24-hour free courses and you need to take a test after learning to get certified from Microsoft. The test will cost somewhere around $165. DataCamp Data Analyst Career Track. DataCamp is considered one of the best platforms to learn data analytics. By enrolling in this course, you can learn how to manipulate data and create data visualization by using Python, Power BI and the other tools. This course can be useful for beginner as well as for advanced learner. It provides real-time scenario, practical knowledge. You need to subscribe and buy a premium membership to get access to all of its courses. How to choose the right course? While choosing a right course, consider these 3 things. Your budget, start for free, pay it later if needed. Your learning style, self-paced or structure. Career goals, looking to switch up your career or upskill. How to switch career and get into data analytics without having a technical background. Switching career can be overwhelming but not impossible. I'm going to tell you 3 ways to switch your career and get into data analytics. As the online industry is rising, the demand for data analytics is also rising, and it is the right time to learn data analytics. For a successful data analyst career, you need to learn these skills. Number 1, start by learning Excel and learn how to automate tasks in Excel. Number 2, after getting proficient in Excel, switch to Power BI and get into basics of BI and move on to the advanced concept. Number 3, learn Python. Python is the backbone of data science and someone who is proficient in it can build a successful career out of it. There are plenty of courses and videos available online. Start by finding the right resource and make step forward. So those were the top courses to get started with your data analytics journey. you are a beginner and can start learning for free, can decide whether this right path for you or not. If you are still confused in choosing a course for you, then you can chat with us on WhatsApp by using the WhatsApp link from the description. For more such videos, follow EduVerticals and subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button if you found this video useful.